can't do. Such lady. I am a motherfucking lady. This time, the maidens chose Florida.
Submerged in the adventure by way of motorcycle.
Riding back up through that
It's gonna be epic.
Remember that Dr. Seuss book, The Lorax? The way the trees look? That's how Florida looks.
As soon as someone's having an issue with their bike or with their life, we all kind of collectively come together and pit crew.
The Maidens are life.
Being able to ride and being around the girls, my stomach hurts from laughing the entire time. It's therapeutic.
There's so many women that we want to meet, and there's so many things to do. We get to meet Shelly, the general manager at Daytona Harley-Davidson.
Just one cool little picture of me racing.
Oh! Elle is a tattoo artist, built a badass panhead.
We're going to an indigenous-run airboat company.
I'm Betty Osceola, the owner. I was interested in your bikes because I also ride. I'm like, these are cool bikes.
It is a motorcycle, and ours are really sketchy, and that's the way we like them. But sometimes that means that we have a lot of problem children.
Careful, careful. Whoa!
Oh, so much oil! And I melted my boot!
There are times it rains really hard. It's the South, you can't predict anything.
Oh, we got a greasy tight pickle of a situation right here.
Alex can't get near a motorcycle without getting oil on her face.
Can't wait to see what we get into this time.